Are you wondering what the internship program is like at SW Cole? Well, let me introduce you to a couple of our interns and have them tell you about their experience.
Hi, I'm Alicia Brown. I'm from Gray, Maine, working here in the Gray office.
Hi, I'm Lily Mitchell. I'm working at the Sydney office and I am a geotechnical engineering intern.
So I'm Lay Medea. I'm an intern at SW Cole in the Somersworth office this summer. I'm currently a student at UNH, going into my junior year of college, and I'm studying civil engineering.
Hi, I'm Kirsten. I'm at the Gray office and I'm doing construction services internship.
Hi, I'm Sahil Kumtakar. I'm a construction services intern at the Sydney office, and I'm from Texas A&M.
I'm Stella Corvessis. I currently work in the Somersworth, New Hampshire location. I live in Old Orchard Beach, Maine, but I go to college in Stevens Institute of Technology in Hoboken, New Jersey.
What have they learned so far during their experience?
So far, I've learned kind of just how to take what we learn at school and apply it to like the field. It's kind of like we learn different things. So in school, you kind of learn a lot of like the facts about it, but now you kind of get to learn the hands-on aspect and kind of connect those two, which is really nice.
Yeah, so I've learned different skills like compaction testing. We've done concrete testing and compression tests for concrete cylinders.
Well, I have my ACI, which is the concrete testing certification. I've learned, all the stuff that goes into making sure everything on a construction site is, up to the engineer standards and how to interact with people on construction sites like the general contractors and how to do lab work and all the technical side of construction you don't really know exists until you do it yourself.
I've learned a lot of things so far. I've learned about working in the office, doing a lot of writing for reports, talking to people outside of the company, and collaborating with members here in the Sydney office, especially. And I've also done a lot of work out in the field. So I've gotten to work with seaboard drilling, learn about things like how to use a split spoon sampler, analyze soil samples, a lot of really interesting things.
I've definitely learned a lot about what goes into the whole construction process, and actually seeing it like being done has brought me a whole different insight as to what it takes to build.
What were their favorite parts of the internship?
Like going out in the field and like meeting a bunch of people and making connections, as well as just like connecting with the team at SW Equal.
My favorite part, I definitely like going to the field the best because the lab it definitely learns a lot, but after a while, it's just repetitive. But out in the field, it's something new every day, somewhere different every day, and I learn every day. Every time I go out, I learn something new, and it just makes me more prepared for the next time.
I'd say my favorite part at SWCO would be the culture. Everyone here is very friendly and willing to help. If you have any questions, they're always willing to be a great help.
So I guess my favorite part about the internship is that it's a little different every day. I kind of get to go. I get to, like I said, get to go to new places, meet new people. Um, the schedule's different every day, so it's not very repetitive, and it's kind of just it keeps you fresh and energized, and yeah, it's really nice.
Is the team culture a good fit for you?
I think the company has a great work environment. The people here are all awesome, and they are great working with you because I know like I have a couple things with school going on during the summer, and they're great working around that and fitting into my schedule and me fitting into their schedule. It's been a great transition.
I really like the team culture about SW Cole. It's kind of like everyone here has your back. They're here to support you. There is like a hierarchy, but it doesn't really feel that way. So like as an intern, you're kind of like you'd think you'd be like at the bottom, but it doesn't really feel like that. It feels like I'm just as equally a part of the team as all the other techs and everybody else here, which is really nice.
Is this internship setting you up for success in your future?
This internship is definitely setting me up for success. It is the first engineering internship I've had. It's taught me so much. It's made me like realize that this is something I want to do, and I'm just excited for my future in engineering. And this internship has played a big part in that.
I think so, yeah. A lot of the GCs I've talked to have been were civil engineers when they went to college, and that's what I'm majoring in. And a lot of them say, it's good to be getting this work and field experience before I graduate because it's going to be helpful in the future, I guess.
I think a great part about this internship is the networking. And so not only are we meeting we're meeting different companies, different people, and just getting a good network of kind of all the construction industry and the engineering industry out there.
I'm learning a lot about the industry, different materials, as well as gaining connections with different contractors.
Would you recommend this internship to others?
Yeah, so definitely recommend this internship because it's very hands-on. You gain a lot of skill and the work you do is very impactful.
I would absolutely recommend this internship to anyone looking for some good field experience. I've learned a lot. I get to go out and meet a lot of new people in the field, go to new places, and it's been really great.
Here are some of our interns at work. We had interns located at all of our offices across New England, where they had the opportunity to earn certifications like the ACI and OSHA 10. This summer, we had a total of 20 interns from 14 different schools, and we offered internships in construction services, geotechnical engineering, marketing, and safety. Thank you for watching. We hope you apply and receive some amazing hands-on experience from us.